Welcome to Feltz Bagels, where you can get your own customised bagel and your morning coffee in the traditional New York Greek coffee cup. Here we have a completely felted old antique till. You can get your rugelach, you can get an individual pickle, you can get yourself some snacks. And to go with your bagel, perhaps you want to go for the following baked goods: a slice of cinnamon or chocolate babka. Maybe you'll take home with you some raisin challah or a pretzel, a New York classic. We move on here to your sandwich selections, your fillings, what you would have in your bagel, of which there are 44 different types. We've got peppers, olives, tomatoes, sliced pickle, brie, we've got lox, corned beef, chicken cutlet. So absolutely, we have everything that you could possibly want. And if there's anything that I don't have, I'll do my best to try and make it for you. And we have the fillings continued here. We've got salmon steak, we've got Hebrew salami being freshly sliced here, each with its own little face. We've got avocado, Swiss cheese, jalapeno, arugula. And if you don't fancy making your own, I've got a freshly prepared menu of serving suggestions. So we've got PB&J, we've got the healthy option, we've got a Mediterranean or an egg bagel, or you stick with your classic and your breakfast and your Reuben, all New York classics.